Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be doing an HBA funnel builder review. That's HBA. HBA stands for Home Business Academy. Now, there's a couple different parts to Home Business Academy. There's the affiliate portion of it where you can actually sell the tool or sell parts of the business, right? And get a really nice commission for that. Better commissions than I've seen any other company like this give out to their affiliates. But in this specific video, I'm going to be just going over the actual entry-level tool that you get called the HBA Funnel Builder. And that's the main tool that you'll be purchasing if you decide to sign up. And what it's offering is, if you're going to get online, and you want to build an email list, and you want to be able to, build an autoresponder, and you want to be able to capture leads into your business on a daily basis and build beautiful looking landing pages, then that's where this tool comes in, right? So you're gonna, if you want a kind of a relation to what this tool is really an alternative to some of the bigger names like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. And so the difference, what sets this apart, is that I feel it's more powerful and it's way less expensive than you're going to pay for those other tools. And that's what really makes this tool shine. So if you click the link below, it'll take you to a page that looks just like this, and there's a 38-minute video right here. You'll be able to meet the both owners and founders of the company, and they're really great guys. And so they were part of a bunch of other different network marketing companies for the last 15 years, and they just kind of got fed up with some of the different things that they had no control over, and so they wanted to build a better network and make it more affordable to everybody and offer more value. And so that's really what this company is founded on. And another really cool thing too is that a portion of the proceeds of every single sale or commission made goes to Feed the Hunger, a nonprofit organization. So it goes to a Feed the Hunger nonprofit, and it helps out with charity. So it's just a really cool company to get involved with. So I'm going to go down here real quick and just show you. So you can watch this. It's about 38 minutes, and you'll get to know the guys and also just what this whole company is about. But if you're just ready to get started and start building funnels, then you can certainly just sign up. Now, there's no hidden fees, or you don't need to sign up for a trial and then get charged $100, and there's none of that. There's no trial. It's everything is just squared away and straight to the point. There's no fluff or anything about this company, which I really like. It's $25. It's $25 a month. You pay $25 a month, and it comes out to 82 cents per day, right? And most of the other ones, like ClickFunnels has a 100 level. And this will get you up to 20 funnels in your back office. Most people, if you're a professional marketer, will end up having to get on the $300. It's $297. I'm going to round it to $300 level, and this one I believe gets you unlimited, but I'm not sure. So, and then you have like Lead Pages, which I believe might start off at $37 a month. And then you can keep going down and do your research. You're not going to find another funnel builder like this, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. You're not going to find another funnel builder like this. This is up to 75% off, or basically it's 1/4 the cost of the entry level of ClickFunnels, or it's even 1/8 the cost of what most people are on with the $300 level. So $25 a day, and I'm going to show you what you can get. Really amazing landing pages. And so, and then I'll just mention, this one's really not about the affiliate program. I will come out with a video explaining all that. But the types of pages that you can build, this is just a small sample of what you can build. You can do lead capture pages, sales pages, webinar pages, membership sites, upsell pages, checkout pages. This really makes it shine. It has a full payment processor in the software. And a lot of times if you're doing this with WordPress and Elementor and you're going to build this out yourself, then you're going to have to pay extra money, $100, $200 a month just to have a payment processor. So this is already built into the toolkit. It's just insane, the value that you get. Then you have the entire sales funnels. You have launch sites, complete websites, countdown timers, analytics, customer CRM. It actually does keep the information from when people sign up. And obviously simple, fast, everything's mobile friendly, and I'll show you that in just a sec. So I'll just mention real quick, the affiliate program is 80%. I've never, let me know in the comments what companies that you know of that you're promoting that do 80% commissions. They want to give everything back to the affiliate, right? And so you basically get you will if you sign up to the funnel builder, you can use that tool just for the basic needs that you have for your online business, and you don't even have to try to sell this at all and make a commission. But if you do decide to do that and you want to try this out as a revenue source, then you're going to be getting maximum, you're going to be getting 80% on the front end. So like, you don't have to do a certain amount of sales just to get to, some start off at 30%, and then you have you make 100 sales, they might bump you up to 40%. Then you make another 100 sales, they might bump you up to 50%, 60, and then there's a cap. This one, right out of the gates, you can start off, pay $25 a month, and you get 80%, and then you turn around and you make a sale, and every time you sell that $25 package, or the kit, right, you make $20 per month. For every customer you refer to us, as long as they are a customer. So what that means is if someone signs up, right? Okay, so if someone signs up to a $25 package, right? Then you have, let's just say month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4. All right, so let's just do a 6 months analysis, right? So in the month 1, you would get a $20 commission. And then month 2, you would get a $20 commission. Month 3, you would get a $20 commission. Month 4, you would get a $20 commission. Month 5, you'd get a $20 commission. Month 6, and so forth. Even if this ends up being 2 years that someone uses this tool, then you're going to get paid, right here, you're going to get paid 24 times 20 off of one customer that you referred, right? So it does start stacking up. One customer in 6 months, what is that? 20, 40, 60, 80, $120. So, so in 6 months, you make $120 off of that person. And, basically, this is just 1 month, of making a payment to some of the other big tools. So really the value of this is that, people are getting the tool that they need for a very, very reasonable price, the best price that I've seen online since I've been doing this over 10 years. And so they're going to stay longer because the tool is amazing. They're not feeling like they're having to spend a lot of money on it. So they're happy. They're happy about this. And then you make a sale, and then guess what? And then you start adding more and more people and this is not, this is not like a pyramid thing. You don't make any money off of the people underneath you. There's no pyramid scheme or anything like that about this. So it's just a really, really cool business model. It's really easy to get in. Here's the team and all that. So I'll just jump in real quick and just show you the tool. And when I log in, it's going to show you my funnel that I'm running right now, which is converting really well. I just have Attention Online Marketer. If you want to stop starting over every month at 0, this method will teach you how to start each month at 3,000 recurring monthly income. So you can always count on a good steady income each month. And you have all this stuff, right? And then you have, you just put in your name and email. And so I'm going to show you what this looks like when you actually click on the link below if you want to check it out. teachmemoneymethods.com. I'm going to push enter, and then here's what the page looks like. It's just really nice looking, and then look what happens after a few seconds. That comes in and kind of interrupts a little bit and just really prompts them to put in their name and their email. And you get these nice hover overs. You can control all that inside the tool. I have myself for personal branding there, and it's just a really simple funnel that I built that really only took me about 10 minutes to do. And so when you're in here, you can easily go in to, like you can add different widgets. Like if I wanted to make a different page right here, or if I wanted to just go into funnels, and let's just say I wanted to add a new step and make a page here. Now check this out. You get all these different templates right here that you can just click and it will already be there for you. You just replace the video and you have these pages that are already built out for you, ready to go. So they have pages in here that are just ready to go. You can pick those out. And then they have a network of people. So a popular marketer is Amy Starr Allen. So she's added in some templates in here. I see she's added more. Now she has 6 templates in here. You can use her templates here. Look, she's got some that are kind of like a link tree or for your Instagram page. She's added some in here and personal branding. Just really, really cool stuff you can do. Live training, webinar stuff. And then they have other people in here that have added in some stuff too. And you can just come through here and look at all these different pages that people have added to the system, right? If you have webinars, here's webinar pages right here, lead generation, here's some more stuff right here. And you can do all these different really, really cool templates that are actually converting, that people are sharing, and that you can use all these templates. So it's a really, really cool tool if you want to check it out, and if you're ready to take the next level of your business and start building funnels like this so you can start getting people to sign up to your business, then go ahead and click the link below and check it out, and I'll see you on the inside.